The first question all the time people ask as the contractor is how much it will cost to do a bathroom renovation. Especially most popular bathrooms are three-piece bathroom, shower, toilet, vanity, small or medium size. As my friend already told you, it's depend on the material, but my experience from years, if you want to do a three-piece bathroom like normal size with good material but not really fancy brand, you can complete it with 9,000. But if you hire a contractor, if you want to do a normal end finish bathroom, that will be the cost start from 9,000. But if you go to choose a different material, of course the price will change. But it's possible to have a good job done, quality, material, everything, material include, then it will be start from 9,000.